Yeah, hey everybody. My name is Aaron Wooff. I work for a company called Secure 24 ADT. We run the successful alarm referral program with home inspectors across the country. Wanted to thank Scott Harvey for asking me to be a part of this. Well, it was unfortunate last year to not do this in person, and this year as well. It was nice going through the list of the inspectors that are on here. A lot of familiar names, a lot of guys that I work with. But essentially, what we do over here at Secure 24 is we want to add value to what you're already currently doing. So by doing that, we want to offer your clients exclusive pricing or a free setup on an ADT monitored home security system. And then we monetize that for you. The great thing about Secure 24 now, as opposed to 4.5 years ago, whenever I started here, is we have a lot of great integrations in all the report writing software. So we want to make it easy for you guys to refer. We also know that the alarm systems are outside the scope of your inspection. Sometimes they can be a talking point, or you might get a direct question about it. So we want to be a resource and value to you guys whenever that comes up. So than that, guys, sorry if that was too short, Alex and Scott, but that's pretty much the gist of it. We want to offer a program that costs you nothing to do, which is hard to find in the inspection world. We want to help your clients get a great deal on the service, and we want to increase your bottom line in the process. So it's a pretty standard referral program.
Aaron, if it's okay, I'd like to just plug in as one who's had experience with your solution to the community of home inspectors that are on with us today. I've been doing the ADT program for close to 5 years now, and it's pretty nice to get an extra check in the mail once a month for something that takes literally just a few moments of your time at the close of an inspection or even at the beginning of the inspection. We basically present to the client that we offer a free ADT system, which includes the equipment and the installation, and that they're responsible for a monthly monitoring fee. And if they do choose to do that, if they notify their homeowner's insurance company, they can also get a discount off their homeowner's insurance premium. So probably about 10 to 20% of the clients take advantage of the program. But if you present it properly, they benefit, and so do you, and so does ADT.
Thank you, Scott. I appreciate that.
All right. Mr. Wooff?
Yeah, Ron. Go ahead, Ron.
I've heard about your program, but how do we get in contact with you so that we can set this up?